Hello, my name is Dan O'Connell. I teach religious education at Mary Immaculate College, Limerick. This is something to help you with Grow in Love. It's the website for Grow in Love, and I thought it might be helpful just to show you how to get into the website and how to navigate around it as a way of helping your children access some of the materials that are there. So the first thing you need to do is have the details. So I'm going to show you this. This is the Grow in Love website, www.growinlove.ie. Then there's a username, and then there's a password. So it might be helpful for you now maybe just to pause this recording and jot those details down. Okay? Now I'm going to put those details into the computer here. So I put in growinlove.ie, and then I hit, see the button up here? That's growinlove.ie, and I hit login. So I hit login there. And then I'm going to write in the detailed name that's here, trial at growinlove.ie, and then the password is growinlove, and I hit login, and now we're in. So you're into the website now for the Grow in Love program, and this shows you where you got, I just don't say that. This is junior infants here, then you've got senior infants, first class, and then on the way down here, you've got second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, and sixth class. So if you wanted, depending on the age of your child, if she or he's in first or second class or sixth class, you can click on this feature and that'll bring you to a whole load of resources. So let's click on sixth class. So I click on that, I just click it once, and now it brings me into this page. And here you can see there's a whole load of numbers. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And behind any of these numbers are weekly lessons. So there's the weekly lesson for God, that's the theme, creation. Let's go down a little bit further. And we go down to number 10. So let's look at this one. I click on 10, and then it gives me a number of weeks worth of work there for confirmation. So then I'm going to click on number 4. I click on number 4. And now there's a number of resources here. So for every week or theme, there's always resources. So you can, with your child, whoever it may be, for junior infants, senior, whatever it may be, come in here and look at the different resources, whether it's music or little videos or questionnaires, whatever it may be. Here's a little tip. So what you might do here actually is post-confirmation commitments. This is a lovely video. So this will be aimed at sixth class children. Even though they haven't made their confirmation yet, click on this one. And this brings up a video. And the video shows children who have made their confirmation, but how they're using the particular gifts. Let me just show you a tiny bit of it.
We recently made our confirmation, and as a part of it, we donated between 10 and 20 euro each to a local charity called the Butterfly Club in Rathkeil. It helps children and young adults with special needs to socialise. The Butterfly...
That video works well in the sense that it shows children, our children, what other children are doing with their gifts and how they're using them for their community. So it generates a lot of conversation. That'll be a great thing to show children, and as a parent, have a chat with your child about it. So that's lots of resources there behind any of these themes in Grow in Love. Let me show you one last thing. Oh, by the way, if you wanted to use this with your child, you could say to your children, have a look at the resources for this theme, pick out the best one, and then ask them to tell you why. So they've got to open all these different resources, which they might enjoy, and they've got to pick what's the best one, which is the one that's of least interest. That could be something to do. Finally, the last thing, let me show you this. For every class, there's a homework book. There's a book used at home or in school. So this is the e-book reader. So this is the homework book for children. If I click on the thing down here, it says read the e-book. I click on that. And then the e-book comes up here. I scroll down and I can just push the little button here at the bottom, little arrow pointing forward. I click that. And now Grow in Love 6th class. And here's the workbook that's used in school and at home. So you can see in school up at the top here, and at home. So that's a way maybe of accessing some of the more material for yourselves. So I hope that's been helpful. as a way of getting into the website behind the Grow in Love program. There's lots of resources there, and for junior infants all the way up to 6th class. So go in, have a look, or send your children in to have a look, and I hope that they're of some help to you. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.